What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. This is Marketing with Dev. Make sure you guys give me a like, comment, subscribe, and hit those bell notifications so you can be notified when I drop new videos just like this one. And as you guys can see on the thumbnail, I'm going to be showing you guys our 30K per month Facebook ad strategy that we use for our client who is a business consultant, right? So I want to show you guys the framework we use, the exact framework, so you guys can copy what I did and just change the things you need to change to make it fit for your business and your particular campaign. But without further ado, let's just get straight into the campaign. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is go to press this green create button. And this is a demo account that I'm using, guys. So everything is not set up, but I'm just showing you guys how to create the campaign. So we're going to go to create new campaign. For this specific campaign we were doing, we did mostly conversions, right? So we had a few different campaigns that we're running. Most of them were conversions. So we're gonna go and click sales, and that's how we can go get to the conversions campaign. And then continue. I always do manual setup. I don't know, I just like it. So we're gonna do that and we're gonna continue. So campaign name, we always want to name our campaign name something that easy and simple that we'll know what it is once we see it. If you have multiple different campaigns, you need to be able to quickly identify which is which. So something I like to do is just do L1. L1 signifies that it's a prospecting campaign. L2 would signify that it's a retargeting campaign. Just makes it a little bit simpler. And then I would like name the campaign kind of like the objective of what we're trying to do. So let's just say for this ad, I don't know, shampoo sales, we're trying to sell our shampoo or something, right? I'm just gonna show you guys the exact framework of how we set up the campaigns. And then what type of campaign is it? It is a conversions campaign, so we'll put conversion, right? Just so we know what it is that we're looking at when we actually go back to our dashboard. Because if you have multiple campaigns and you don't name them properly, you're gonna have to click inside each one just to be able to tell what you're doing. So that's all we need on this front page, right? So this is the campaign level. This would be the ad set level, and this is the ad level. So when you guys hear me refer to those, that's what I mean. This entire thing is the campaign, but this is just called the campaign level, this top part. So what we're going to do now is go to the ad set level. And what we're going to do in the ad set level, this is kind of where we can set the audiences of the people we want to see our ads and stuff like that. So first we want to name it. What we like to do is name our ad set name, the name of the audience that we're targeting. And since we don't know that yet, we're going to leave it blank for now and go down to conversion location. 9 times out of 10 is going to be a website for you guys, but if it's any one of these, then just select what it is for you. Performance goal, maximize number of conversions. Pixel, you want to put in your pixel in there. This is just a demo account, but you want to make sure that you have all your conversions set up that you're trying to track. For budget, we are going to be doing 3 different ad sets at $20 per day minimum. That's what I would recommend. So it'll be a total of 60 per day. If you feel comfortable doing more, you can do more. If you don't have that and you want to do less, you can do less. I would just recommend 20 per day just because it gives you a decent amount of spend. So after about a week, you have a pretty good amount of data to be able to look at and make some decisions based off of. I never like to use a start date just because I'm always in here or an end date. So it's really not necessary for me. But if you feel like you might forget and overspend or something like that, then that may be something you want to do. But as we go down, we want to go to audience controls, right? So this is going to have your locations. So you can select which countries or states inside your country you want to see your ads, right? So this is already set to the United States. That's where I am. So that's where I'm going to keep that because I'm in the United States. I want the people to see my ads to also be in the United States. Now, what we want to do now is go down to Advantage Plus Audience. And then we are going to go to switch to original audience options. I just like doing this and more comfortable. Potential outcome up to 33% lower cost per result. I did not experience any of those results in my personal testing. You guys can do your own if you would like. But in my personal experience, doing this works better for me and my clients. So once we select that, now what we want to do is go to Advanced Detail Targeting Plus. So we are going to be having 3 ad sets, like I said. So first, we're just going to create 1 ad set, and then we're going to go to the ad level, and then I'm going to duplicate that ad set twice, just because it makes things a lot simpler. You guys will see what I mean when I get to that point. But let's say, we have a hair care business, and this campaign is shampoo sales, right? So we have a hair care business. Our 3-layer targeting system, this is what you guys need to be doing when you are in here targeting, trying to find the people to buy your stuff or opt into your lead magnet or whatever the case may be, right? So our 3-layer target system is this. Layer 1 is going to be something that is directly related to your product or your service, right? So in this example campaign, remember, this is shampoo sales. So we're selling shampoo. So we're a hair care business, right? So let's type in hair care. Let's see, right? Hair care. What could be more directly related to our hair care business than the interest hair care, right? Literally a direct hit. The second layer is going to be something that is closely related to your product or your service. And the third layer is going to be something else that your ideal clients are also interested in, right? So we'll get to that in a little bit, so you'll be able to see what I mean. And usually I would tell you guys to leave the age and the genders blank, unless you have something that's pretty much specifically only for one gender or the other, or you have something that's specifically only for people above a certain age. So for this example, I would probably do women only, just because we're selling shampoo and it's a hair care business, and in my head, I'm imagining it's a woman's brand. So that's what we're going to select there. And everything else, we are fine right here. So now we're going to go to the top, and remember from before, we never named our ad set, right? So now we can name our ad set the name of the audience that we're targeting, and it's going to be hair care. Now we can go to the ad level where it says new sales ad. So here, to make it simple for you guys, let's just say we have one video. We're only going to use one video because we're testing the audiences in this specific campaign. So we're just going to call it video 1. For you guys, name your ad something that you'll remember what it is when you see it. You don't want to have to click inside every time just to know what's going on, right? You want to be able to see it from the dashboard, be like, okay, video 1, or let's just say you're wearing a red shirt in your video, you can just name it red shirt, just so you know when you see it, what results are coming from which video or image, whatever you're using. So what you're going to do is connect your Facebook page, connect your Instagram account if you want your ads on Instagram. Again, this is a demo account, so I'm not going to do that. But you guys will, it's very important. Creative source, we want to manual upload, format, single image or video. So I have multiple videos on this channel teaching you guys how to write ad copy and how to create highly effective Facebook ad videos. So I don't have the time in this video to go over all of those things, but I will link those videos in the description. So you guys can watch those videos, then you can create your ad, upload it right here, go to add media, and then you will select your image or video or whatever you want to use. And then you can watch one of my other videos about how to write Facebook ad copy, and then you can copy and paste your copy right here. Also have videos on how to write headlines as well. So you can check out that video and then paste your headline right here. So I teach you guys everything you need to know to have effective Facebook ads. But in this video, I'm just going to teach you guys the framework of the campaign, so it's not 2 hours long. Going down, right? So the call to action, I use learn more a lot, but you guys can select whichever one is best fit for what you're selling. And destination, right? You're gonna wanna put your website URL. Obviously, super important. And that's it for the ad level, right? So remember, like I said before, imagine all of your stuff will be in here, your ad will be in here, your copy will be in here, your website link will be in here. So when we go to our ad set and quickly duplicate it, your ad copy and your ad video will also be duplicated as well. Now, all we have to do is go to the new ad set and change the audience, right? So that was layer 1 before. So now we're going to do layer 2. So layer one was something that's directly related to your product or your service, and we selected hair care. Now, layer two is going to be something that is closely related to your product or your service. So we can do, let's see, no, let's not do shampoo. I would do shampoo as probably a number, as layer one, something that is directly related to your product or your service. So let's do skincare, right? Because if you're interested in hair care, then there's a good chance that you're interested in your skincare as well, right? So I would definitely say that skincare is closely related with hair care. And now that's all we have to do. We go back up to the top and change the name of the ad set to skincare. And remember, since we duplicated the ad set that was already complete, all of the ad stuff, all of the stuff in the ad level is going to be copied already. So you don't have to do it again. All you have to do is duplicate this one more time and change the audience to get your third ad set. So that's exactly what we're going to do. Quick duplicate. Now we have our copy right here, and we're going to go down. Everything is already how we have it. Go down to Advantage Plus. This was layer two. Get rid of that. Now we're going to do layer three, something that our ideal clients are all interested in, right? So maybe something like, well, we're trying to reach women. Why not a women's magazine, right? Vogue, or maybe show like The View. The View, it's a women's show, so do something like that. But I'm gonna do Vogue magazine. And then you guys are good to go. Now you have 3 different ad sets that you're testing at $20 per day. After 3 to 5 days, you're gonna want to analyze the results and see what's doing well, see what's not doing well, and your adjustments from there. Guys, like I said, if you need help with writing a copy, with creating an ad video and creating headlines, I will link those videos in the description so you guys can have all the support that you need. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys are actually implementing what I'm teaching you. Actually do this in your business, right? Go into the business manager and actually try this, actually set it up, because it will work well for you if you try it, if you test it out. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.